Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another You and Yours weekly. This is for the second week of June, but Capricorn, time is fluid, okay? So don't get fixated. This could be energies that are around you. You could have gone through something like this recently, are going through it, or will go through this, in the immediate future. So and also Capricorn, I would like to tell you that these are general collective readings, okay? So each and every one is not going to be resonating with you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So You and Yours reading is basically readings about you and the person who's affecting your energy right now, okay? These are not specific love readings. This could be maybe your boss or your child, parent, neighbor, anyone who's kind of in your energy and who maybe, some message has to come across to you regarding them. Of course, I have just uploaded the love readings too. I'll leave a link in case you're interested in love readings. Not to say a love interest can't pop up here, so let's see. So here we go. 10 of Swords in reverse, which is a very good thing, Capricorn. Let's begin. So the first card I have here for you is the Empress. Excellent. Now Capricorn, I'll be reading one side as you and the other as the person who is affecting you right now. But please feel free to flip the energy, okay? If you feel you resonate more on the other side, just use your discernment regarding that. So we have the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the Hanged Man, the Page of Cups, and for your person I have the Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Queen of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, okay. Mutual energy here, Capricorn, is the Temperance in reverse, the Hermit, and the Page of Wands. So a lot of thinking going on. Let's just clarify these energies and see what they want to say to us. So Capricorn, for side A, let me just read this as you maybe, but of course you could be the side. So just for the reading, I'm going to call side A Capricorn. Here is a woman who is in Empress mode, okay? She is either the head of the family, of like a mother figure, or a nurturer, caregiver. She's very abundant normally, okay? But right now, there's somebody or something from her past which is making her feel a bit in lack, okay? There's a bit of, which is very unlike a Empress energy. Maybe something went wrong in some relationship. Maybe there was something which kind of didn't work out, and right now this Empress is feeling totally left out in the cold. And I think it's such a flip energy. On one side I have the Empress, okay, the Empress, and one side I have her feeling like this, which is like a totally opposite energy. The Empress is the most loving, kind, abundant. She's a queen of all queens, and in some cases she also signifies the mother figure or an older woman. So some startling news or something came out where something maybe about somebody from her past, where, oh my God, here it is again, the Five of Pentacles again, okay? So she's kind of just trying to keep it together, but she's right now, she's gone through a lot of heartbreak, it seems. There's some news which came to her which put her totally into a hanged man's position, and she's kind of losing faith here. She's losing faith in spirituality maybe. She's feeling that whatever she's done so far has been like maybe just a waste of time. Nothing has really worked out and everything's gone to waste. And to have two Five of Pentacles, it really does say something. Yeah, so she's kind of, gone within. She's trying to use her intuition, trying to keep quiet and go within. And it's very, very lack mentality and feeling nothing is going to work out, and maybe there was some conflict which happened in this dynamic, her with some other person. I don't know who that is now. So Capricorn, if this is you, you would know. Okay, so somebody in your life which made you feel that everything you did was a waste of time, and has put you totally in a hangman's place, and making you feel as if you don't have enough anymore, and whatever you have worked for all this time has been for nothing. Okay, this is yeah. Let's see the other person. What is the other person going through? This other person seems to be in a pretty good space. Yeah, they are seeing what is it they have put forth till now, and what are their investments, and what have they gained out of this relationship till now, because they also have the Four of Wands on their side and the Six of Cups, which is a card of equal give and take. So they are basically just taking stock right now of what they have, what they haven't, and yeah, looking at this commitment with new eyes. Right, they are looking at this, they are looking at maybe giving a commitment. It's such an opposite energy here. Here's the Empress feeling that she's lost it all, and here is the Emperor. Okay, I have an Empress here and an Emperor here. Can you believe it? So it is an equal match somewhere. But this Emperor doesn't, Emperor is just thinking about his home hearth. He is looking at an equal partnership. He's looking at commitment. He's looking at whatever he's invested in till now, and he's taking stock of it. He wants to take full charge and control. But there is this Queen of Wands beside him. Okay, that's the one that's bothering me. Yeah, see, the minute I said Queen of Wands, here came the same card, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so is it possible that this person was involved in a third-party situation? It really does seem like that. So this person here is probably now re-evaluating of how having this Queen of Wands in their life disrupted this equal partnership, their commitment. And why I say that, because I have the Three of Cups in reverse as well, which is another card of which is another card of a third party situation. So these are heavy energies. Okay, yeah, so this person feels that yes, there has been some injustice here, where one person, probably this person B, who, Capricorn, is your person, or if you resonate more with this side, then this is you. You kind of have hurt somebody very badly, or this person has hurt you, and it just stopped the wheel of fortune from moving forward, and has put everybody in a stuck position right now. Okay, the Empress is sad and upset here. You are reevaluating things, and I don't think person B, your third party, is also going very well at the moment, because now this card, the Five of Swords, which is the card I dislike the most, to be honest, in this tarot deck, is one person trying to win at all cost. Okay, so here's one person who's victorious, has a smirky laugh on his face, and there are two people with their heads bent down and just walking away from the fight. So this is like playing mind games with people, or trying to be one up on somebody else, playing just a bad game. I mean, somebody did this. Okay, and I have a feeling it was this person. Okay, and they've realized, I think, what they've done, and they don't look very happy about it either. So let's have a card for the Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Why is person B, too many cards, so why is person B in the third Three of Pentacles position here? Yes, this person was going out for their own happiness. Okay, and involving maybe other people in this relationship, or whatever you guys had here. This person was trying to find their own happiness in a place where they shouldn't have. Yes, this was self-gratification. Okay, this person was maybe a bit greedy, selfish, and wanted to just think about their own happiness, and played somebody else in this dynamic to keep themselves happy. Oh, this card, I don't know when it flipped out, but here it was. So now they're thinking that, yes, I've done something wrong, and maybe, justice should be done. Okay, maybe that's why they're now reevaluating what they've lost, their home, earth, their commitment, the person who actually gave them equal give and take. Because here I feel they're in lack again, because they have no equal give and take left, and they're thinking that maybe it's time that justice should be done of whatever has been done wrong in this dynamic. Yes, there was a lot of okay, so now I think they want to come, they are thinking of coming back to person A, which Capricorn, if that's you. They want to bring you a small offer of love, and they want to find victory with you again. Okay, why I say this? Otherwise, I would have said, okay, this person is wishy-washy and is flirting around and is egoistic and maybe is prideful or whatever. Why I'm not saying that is because their last card is the Ace of Pentacles. They want a fresh new beginning. Okay, they're looking for a fresh new beginning, I think, back with you. And I think there's going to be a small message coming to you soon. But let me clarify it once. Why? Also because, they feel something has ended, right? But this card has come out in reverse. Now they want to end all the suffering and pain that has gone on in this dynamic till now. Spirit, can I have a card for the Ace of Pentacles? Yes, see? They feel that all balance has been lost from their life. Okay, there is nothing that they are happy with right now. They were in a good space with their Empress here, and since all this happened, they did it, or however it happened, I think they did something which was not to be done, and it upset the balance of their life. Okay, this is a very clear card, because center of the spread in your mutual energy, I have the same card, Temperance in reverse. So both of you, it's just not this person, you Capricorn, you, if you are the Empress here, you both are feeling in this very imbalanced kind of a place right now, where the whole foundation of your life, I think, has been put in jeopardy by this person. Yes, you are both kind of being a bit defensive right now. You're both maybe trying to see the higher ground, to see what can be done, or maybe other people are there in the, this whole thing that is going on between both of you, and trying to give you advice, and both of you are just trying to ward off any unwanted gossip or any unwanted advice from people, and you both just want to be left alone right now. Okay, you both want to be left alone to think about what has happened between such a beautiful partnership. It was really beautiful, Capricorn, because it was an equal match. I have the Empress and the Emperor. Okay, but the Emperor here kind of messed up, it seems, and now I think I have the Emperor back again. Okay, now I have the Emperor who's sprung back again after being here. He was here on side B with the Empress here, and while I was talking about going within and reflecting on what has been done, the Emperor just flew out again. So I think this person is now thinking of how to take back their rightful place with his Empress. Okay, so and they are in deep thought regarding that. They really feel, they feel this, whatever has happened, this whole old cycle should be put to a rest, should be closed out, so they can come back to their Empress and re-begin again. Okay, and they're thinking very hard as to how to do that. I think both of you are in that space where you're both in thought right now, and both wondering whether we can start anew or not. Maybe one person is thinking, is it over? And the other person saying, how to begin again? So this is like in your mutual energy right now, the world. And maybe there is some space between you two guys as well, both of you. Maybe there is some distance. Maybe you guys are not together at the moment. But this Emperor definitely wants to now take charge again. And both of you are in deep thought, trying to figure this out. Yes, because see, both are wishing. I won't call it a wish fulfillment, but I think both of you right now are hoping and wishing for this new chapter to begin within the both of you. Okay, it's not one person's wish. I think both of you are being hopeful or wishing upon a star as to what can be done. And here comes the Ace of Pentacles again, which this Emperor had. It's amazing how many repeating cards they're coming. Okay, and but they are feeling a little this King of Cups, even though he wants to come towards his Empress now, and he's not understanding how to show his emotions. Okay, he doesn't know how to make things right. Little worried that the Empress may not even accept his offer at this point. Look at this. So he's a little upset and worried, and kind of trying to figure it out as to how he can take his cup of love back to his Empress, and will she agree? How can I start a new, a page, an Ace of Pentacles, and he's feeling so burdened. My God, I'm sorry, Capricorn, if this is you, or if this is the other person, I really feel kind of deserve it. I'm sorry, but yes, this person is very, very burdened. Just can't see the way forward right now. Okay, so what is going to happen now? Let's see. There is a Page of Wands here, which is such a good sign. I think somebody is going to make a little gesture or send a message, and try and reach out to this person around the second week of June, and tell them that my emotional satisfaction is only with you. Okay, this is going to make you both very happy. This little conversations which are going to start now by the second week of June, hopefully, or around that time. This is once this little movement restarts between the two of you, it's going to actually make you both really, really happy. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else for the month for Capricorn and their person, which can help them, find a solution to whatever they're going through? See, even though I didn't expect this to be a love reading. I think this is more of a marriage or something. I don't know. But whoever's the heaviest on your mind will show through in these readings. The love readings, which I've just posted, you can check those out as well. I'll leave a little link at the end of the video. But those are like specific only you and your love interest. But here too, there is somebody, who's... Yeah. So right now, this is how you're both feeling. At the time I'm reading this reading, both of you are in this. You don't know how to... Both of you have a blindfold over. Or this is how both of you are feeling. Two cards with people with blindfold over their eyes. And swords, right? And bound. Both of you can't see what to do next, don't know how to make any decision, don't know what's going to happen. But the point is that this card is self-inflicted. Okay, this is a prison of your mind, and there's nothing holding anyone back. The minute one of you decide to, come into this mode, okay, all these swords will just fall off, and the blindfold will come off, because there is a clean path forward. Nobody's stopping this person from moving ahead. Except their, what did I say? Nobody's stopping this person from walking ahead, except their own inability to see the path forward, right? So I think this is how you both are feeling right now. But I think in the month of June, around maybe the second or third week, you both are going to, one of you is going to send some kind of a message and that's going to lead to your wish fulfillment. So that's it, Spirit. Anything else? Anything else that can, help guide Capricorn or their person? Yeah, Spirit is saying, whenever this person comes towards you, don't be too defensive. Okay? Give the person a chance to talk, or just hear them out. Okay? Don't block off any communication that comes your way. And let me just take one blessing card or an advice card from the angels as well. Let's see, Capricorn, how the angels can help us navigate this energy. Spirit guides, angels, please give us a card. Oh, okay. One more, Spirit. Can I have one more? Can I have one more card for Capricorn and their person? This one wanted to come out. So leave these here. Yeah. So Spirit is saying that they're telling both of you actually that right now is not the time to kind of get stagnant in your energy. And if one person is reaching out to the other, because I think the Empress is very hurt. I think this card is for the Emperor this side, that if you will have to make a little effort towards the Empress now. Okay, just don't send one text and give up on it. This is a very powerful connection, and the angels are watching you. Okay, heaven is watching over you. They're watching as to how much effort you're going to make to get this relationship back on track. So don't just brush off this relationship at all. This is a very, very powerful connection. Okay, and this does make both of you really, really happy. So go for it, and I hope everything works out well for you. If you see a small blue logo of Omkara on your screen right now, please click and subscribe. It really helps, to know you guys are watching. Or there's a little button below as well, I think, under the video. So click on that, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Take care, love and light.